What's up? It's your boy. It's that boy. It's that boy named Dyna. Yeah, I'm about to get my grip on. Yo, got some corn. Some corn. Some hot dog in the rice. About to go get some ketchup. Hold on. Hold on. Hold that microwave. Get this ketchup. Where the ketchup at? Oh, okay. What I'm saying? And get some ketchup. You turn up this. Turn up my mic. This mic that I had for a while. Yo. But yeah, y'all day is going good. If not, sorry. But yeah. Yo, whoever got that song, that little music playing, yo, kill that now. You gonna get my freaking video copyrighted. Who's playing music? Woman, turn your music off. Turn your music off. Whose music is that? We don't allow that music in this house. It's like, whose music is that? Well, somebody better answer. I'll beat somebody up. You a liar. Stop covering up from the kids. No, y'all gonna get my video copyrighted. Yo, thank you, Jesus, for the food. Bless the food. Amen. What's up? And y'all still playing that damn song. Yo. So yeah, my brother got married on Saturday. It was pretty cool. Little bro tying the knot. They're like, welcome to the club, boy. It's kind of funny just seeing my chin. Oh. Okay. I'm in which? Yo, so we're 6 minutes into this video, and I kind of want you guys to see me. Sorry. I'm like, hold on. Wrong one. Oh yeah. That's okay. Okay. What in the world? Yo, somebody move that. Move that. Oh, now you guys can see me. What in the world? So yeah. You guys can see me now. Should have done this earlier. I love corn. Corn is so bomb. Like straight up. I got this a little lamp here. It's shining on me. It's just shining its light on me. I'm blinding. But yeah. So I had an eventful weekend. Brother got married. And yeah. And then we went to Wild Waves on Sunday. Today's Monday. Almost 12 o'clock. About to be Tuesday. Which means 5 days left till we're in Cali. Disneyland, here we come. I'm so excited. Super excited. So I came home and their box is downstairs. So funny. Yeah, I have some videos to upload from our camp, like almost a month ago. Oh my gosh. And I will upload it. This corn is corn from the can with some butter, real butter, not no margarine, and some garlic salt. Then I melted it in the microwave because I how you do it if you really want it like fast. I forgot to add pepper, but it's fine. A teaspoon like that. So yeah, I'm trying to be more consistent with these videos. So last week was pretty good because I uploaded twice a week. That week, this week, I'm gonna actually try and do 3. So we'll see. Okay. I'm trying to do just raw videos instead of having to edit them, because Lord knows I ain't got no time to be editing. But in the future, when that boy named Dyna blows up, I'll trust and believe you'll have some edited videos. I mean, I edited some of my videos, but I feel like I just don't have time to edit videos like that. I know other YouTubers can relate. Yeah. Oh. Well, it was. Yeah. Yesterday was. Like 2 minutes ago. Was the nephew Messiah's birthday. He turned 15. He went to Wild Wave City. Yeah. I know a lot of people. I know some people that are like, oh, you watch people eat? That is so gross when they make know that. So why do you watch it? Why not change the channel that you're on? Watch a different video, like how boring people eat, like this. Yeah. So I have a video of me eating 16 hot dogs. I think I must have been hungry that time because I'm on my 5th hot dog right now, and I'm kind of maybe because I'm tired. Cause man, I love hot dog and rice. But this corn though. How was that? Yo, I have some pop here. I might tap into it. Who knows? Cause the wife went to go watch the movies with Sis James. They went to go watch Hobbs and Shaw. They said it was funny. What y'all doing? What are you doing downstairs? Huh? James. K-Val. What are you guys doing? Oh, so you deaf? These little kids be trying me. You're trying me right now. Come on. Can you do me a favor? Messiah. 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 I know you hear me, nigga. Jaheim. Bro, I'm almost finished. This rice. So, when there's no rice in the rice pot, in the rice cooker, and I really want rice right now, I go to the stove. I cook it on the stove. Yeah, Jaheim, who's your girlfriend? Somebody on. Jaheim, who's that? Who? Tell us what's up. I need more topics to speak about. Because if y'all know me, I can talk, but I'm literally just talking to the camera right now. Until y'all watch this. If y'all even watch this. But yeah. There's literally nothing in this bowl. I'm just stupid. I got one hot dog left. And I might just give it to my nephew. Because I'm feeling somewhat generous, even though it's just one hot dog. So yeah, hold up. Hey Val, come on. You want this last hot dog? Huh? You want this last hot dog?
No.
Did you really say no?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. All right, so check this. If y'all ain't already doing so, and I know it's kind of awkward and weird and whatever, I don't give a damn because this is my video. Go and follow your boy on your social media, on my Instagram. Follow me on the gram if you know what's good for you. You feel me? Let me see. Alright. So yeah. Go follow me on the gram. Let me see where I'm at. Right here. That boy named Dyna. Right there. This is my latest video. It's of me singing. Don't mind my knees. Yeah. Sweet. But yeah. Yo, Zach Choi is so dope. I'll give it that. And we said, shout out to Zach Choi. He is so freaking filthy. If y'all don't know who he is, y'all check that fool out. He is so dope. He is a YouTuber. One of the dopest YouTubers I know. Oh my gosh. I'm on here watching his YouTube on my Instagram, but he is so freaking dope. So I did one of my little, I think it's my latest video. My last video that I did, I tried his cheese sauce, the stretchy cheese sauce, and that sucker was bam. So y'all need to tap in. Go check out my cheese sauce video though. I mean, you know that. Yo, look at that stupid cheese. Oh my god. Oh my lord. He is so dope. Yo, but anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. The bell. Ding, ding, ding. Whatever. I'm pointing somewhere, but it's not going to be over there. I'm just pointing there. But yeah. Don't forget to Yeah. Don't forget to share this video. Tell your peoples about me. You know I eat. I sing. I eat and sing. I can even eat while singing and sing while, you get the point. By the way. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Right? Shout out to everybody who's already subscribed and always shares my video when I post and hit them up to share and watch my videos. I love you guys all. You guys are the best. Alright? Help your boy make it. Pound it. Oh, surely that was a hard pound. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. Catch y'all later. Peace. Kapowie. No. Okay. Shabam. Is that? No. If I can get this damn button.